Good job.
I can do one little golden if you want it. Okay, do it right now. Okay. Dang it! Come on, no, you look at the lava, you're like... There you go. Ow. We're having... You gotta stop. Okay, ready? Do it. Ready, set, go. That was good. I'm barely glad. No, was it?
Yes, it was.
Oh, no.
Okay,
Just
again.
like you after. Again?
Yeah.
You did it. I'm sorry.
Ashley.
You know what? You know what? Do that, and I will tell you this. Ask my brother.
Hey, your hair looks nice. Okay.
Good. Anyway, what? Your brother? Ask my brother and my sister and my mom. I could tell you a story in a short sentence. Okay. I can tell you a sentence in a verse. Wow.
Do it right now.
I can do it. Do it.
Right now?
It'll take me a long time.
No, right now.
No, it's not like that. It's like I would have to practice again but I could. And if I was on you, I guess I got it from you. When you let that out, like mother, like daughter. When you let that out, you gotta let it out a little bit slower, then you'll have longer. Serious. You used to be like, don't ever do that again. Serious. And then you can talk and tell a story.
Okay, do it.
That's it. Poor Ashley. We're doing a burping contest and
Colette is losing.
Watch, it'll come later.
Terribly.
I just want y'all to know one thing. My daughter came from the front door and just perked up. She did that 3 times already. Tell her to go. I'm just telling you, I don't eat any fruits or any vegetables.
Ashley,
Goodness.
you're sucky.
It's not. It's all stuck in my stomach. I mean, you're embarrassing yourself. No, it hurts. It's stuck in my stomach.
Taking off the scarf is gonna help.
It's all stuck like right here. Look. Right here. Ow.
Here are all of these.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Still not as good as mine, but there it is. There's the air coming out.
Oh my god.
That was like vibrating. No, I'm like, let's go. I've been doing that forever. What I just did?
Good job.
What? These are awesome. Mom, that's your family. Your kid. Well,
You don't like that? Okay.
I don't like it.
And Reese is the other one's going to be stuck in the air.
Yeah. You don't know how to make your burp all come out in one.
One is coming, the burping is ugly.
You missed it.
Mad at me. Shall we? Why?
Well, he needs one for school. They can't have it too long. I know. Sorry. Sorry.
That came out of you?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Oh, girl.
I'm so glad. Why are you
Oh.